Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, so I am filming a Sunday vlog today, and it's morning. Sahib has got up early, so he just did. मैंने उसको अभी brush कराया है. Now it's his demand is he wants to have pancakes. So good morning, Mithu. So we have two Mithus. Oh, yo. You want to see Mithu? Come.
Kaya chop. Chop. And then garlic.
मिट्टू ने बोला मिट्टू चुप करो.
Chop color.
Good morning.
Good morning. And then further party. And further party. And the gig.
Okay, so let's get started and start by making pancake for Sahib, and I'll show you how. चलो बनाइए pancake.
Party.
She don't touch that. You just wash your hands, na? बोलो let's go.
Yes, go.
Okay. So I don't have a tripod, so I will just show you quickly. We'll need milk. We'll need baking powder, baking soda, salt,
Mama.
sugar, vanilla essence. I just put 1 drop.
Mama.
Hey. And I put even this jaggery sugar, which makes it very healthy. Wheat. Okay. I only add wheat for Sahib. I just make this and I'll just make it quickly now. First I have taken milk. So I'm gonna take wheat. One. It depends. I make 2 for Sahib. And so this is enough. Yeah, this must be enough. Okay. Then I'll add 1 drop of later. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is baking soda, 1 pinch, baking powder, little big pinch. Then what I do is I add a pinch of salt. Then sugar and brown sugar. I mean not brown but jaggery sugar. It's over and I don't know if foreign cut में मुझे कहाँ मिलेगा. I'm gonna mix this all together. You can add the required milk if needed. And I'm gonna mix it off camera and come back to you. Okay. So the key is to beat it very well. Okay, I'm using a fork. You can use anything else. Low flame, and it's already hot. I'm gonna use desi ghee. So even I add sometimes almond powder in this, but today I won't because it's too hot. And so low flame. I've made a small one today. So when this bubble starts coming, it's the thing that अच्छा बनने वाला है. So I'm gonna. This is a beautiful pancake. So the pancakes are ready, and this person is gonna start eating with your hands. चमचा चाहिए. Okay. And I'll start my day with a glass of water. नहीं अच्छी तरह बोलो. वापस. This is what?
What pancake?
It's a pancake.
Is that something?
Okay.
Is that fork and
Oh wow.
this one?
Lovely.
Is that water?
Water. Yeah.
Is that you bone?
Okay.
Is that bone?
Okay.
And plate?
हाँ. Wow.
And this one.
Okay. And you're going to start eating? साहिब की चाय आ चुकी है. Yes, he loves चाय. You like tea?
Mama, I did them.
पी लो क्या बेटा? He loves tea and we make it in milk. So he has tea at least twice and we make it in दूध में बना के देते हैं उससे. He loves that. I'll have breakfast first and then do घर का little काम and then rest. ठीक है? तो चलो चलो फिर. So the breakfast is here. This is paratha, ajwain namak ka, and tea. So I'm gonna make butter paneer now. So one side we are making dal also मटर और फिर हम इसे ढक देंगे and then after that at the end I will add the paneer. Yeah, so it's done. I'll show you once it's ready. So I added the paneer and this is sabji ready. So he wants his phone and the speaker and he listens to the songs. So baby and mama done with the shower thingies. So yes, with my Dove moisturizer. You know, sometimes I totally skip this. Not skip, I forget. Oh, it's lunchtime, so I'll head out in the kitchen, feed the baby first, and then I'll have this ready. Let's have. Baby, ite beto. So at last all the work is done and it's currently 3 o'clock. Now we are free. I thought I'll film a video but doesn't looks like because this one, yes, he's still awake and doesn't seem he's going to sleep so early. Yeah, so video तो बनने से रही. तो I was thinking कि थोड़ा मशीन का काम कर लूँ, बट वो भी जब ये सो जाएगा उसके बाद ही हो पाएगा. So the plan for the evening is to have normal tea, no नाश्ता, because we all are sitting at home and when जब हम लोग शाम को नाश्ता कर लेते हैं चाय के साथ तो रात को खाना नहीं खाया जाता है, इसलिए हम शाम को चाय and then रात को I am making mango tart. ये सोचा है बनाने के लिए, मैंगो टार्ट बनाने वाली हूँ. And आलू टिक्की, नो व्हाट यू कॉल दैट, रगड़ा पेटिस. हाँ, रात को आज रगड़ा पेटिस की प्लान है. सो ठीक है, देखते हैं. सो नाउ आई सी टिल दिस बेबी इज लिसनिंग सॉन्ग्स आई कॉल माई sister, my mommy, and just talk to them. Hello, good evening, and it is 6 p.m. so I was still sleeping. I took a 15-minute nap and uploading a picture on Instagram. In case if you don't follow me on Instagram, do follow me because I am more active on Instagram. And yeah, posting a picture over there. बस अभी चाय का टाइम हो गया, अभी हम चाय पियेंगे. एंड लुक एट द व्यू आउटसाइड. द ओनली क्रीचर्स यू कैन हियर आर द बर्ड्स. सिर्फ बर्ड्स सुनाई देते हैं, दिखाई देते हैं और उनकी आवाज़ सुनाई देती है बस. बाकी देखो सुनसान पड़ा है सब कुछ. क्वारंटाइन. ओके, सो आई सी यू एट टी, आई मीन चाय के साथ. So guys, tea is on the gas. Make one, first I made without sugar for my grandmother-in-law and papa. So they have fikki chai, then I'll add more sugar. Yes, so it's tea time and Sad is still sleeping. I'll wake him up in a while. I will make tea first and then wake him up. Yes, so that's what I was telling कि I feel so blessed कि हमें ये सब कुछ मिल रहा है, you know, basic चीज़ों से भी ज़्यादा मिल रहा है. So as I had told you, we are making ragra petis. So the ragra is ready. White मटर को भिगो दिया था दोपहर को my mother-in-law. Copy उसको मैंने I've put in the cooker and whatever is required. And for the petis we have ready McCain aloo tikki. So we're making all of that. Green chutney is ready. मीठी चटनी इमली एंड गुड़ वो मम्मी ने बना दी है. Now I'll cut onions. I'll chop them to garnish. And yeah, we almost done. So the ragra petis is ready. इसके ऊपर हमने ये डाला, ये डाला, ये डाला और सेव डाला. And it is ready. हाँ चटनी भी डाली है. And now we have made little sev puris also. Okay, I have started vlog. So I couldn't film exactly what we are making because एक तो इतनी गर्मी and then it's so hot in the kitchen and plus everybody was so eager to eat फटाफट तो बस बना दिया. So my mango tart is still incomplete. I don't know if I will make or I don't think so. I'm thinking I have to make something else. I'll just add Nutella in that biscuit mixture and just make those small biscuit chocolate balls and just give everybody as a dessert. You want me to feature you inside? Okay, so I think I'll end my vlog here. In case if I make, I'll shoot. Otherwise, it's a bye from my side and do subscribe. Hit the bell icon because क्योंकि उसके बिना आपको मेरी नोटिफिकेशन नहीं आएगी. So subscribe, like and click the bell button and follow me on Instagram. I'm very much active on that. So till then you take care and bye. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that.